In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice link in Freshbooks. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or someone looking to streamline billing processes, Freshbooks makes it incredibly straightforward to create and manage your invoices. Let's dive into the steps. To start with, if you haven't already created an invoice, you'll want to do that first. Open your Freshbooks dashboard and locate the Create New button. Once you click on it, a menu will pop up. Select the option for Invoice. This takes you to a new page where you'll be able to fill in all the details for your invoice. Begin by selecting the client you're billing. It's important to make sure all client information is accurate to avoid any confusion later on. Next, add line items for the services or products you provided. Be specific in your descriptions and double-check the prices to ensure accuracy. It's also wise to set a due date for the invoice so your client knows exactly when the payment is expected. If you've already got an invoice prepared and you need just to send it, navigate to the Invoices section on the main menu. Scan through the list of invoices, find the one you're working with, and click to open it. Now, with the invoice open, you're ready to copy its link. Look for the More Actions button on the page. It's usually situated towards the top or center of the screen, making it relatively easy to find. When you click More Actions, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Copy to Clipboard. A small pop-up should appear indicating that the link has been successfully copied. FreshBooks handles this part efficiently, ensuring that sharing the invoice is as seamless as creating it. Once you have the invoice link copied, you're ready to share it wherever you need. Maybe you're emailing it directly to your client, sending it through a messaging platform, or even integrating it into a third-party system. Paste the link in the desired location, and you're good to go. An added benefit of this process is that FreshBooks will automatically mark the invoice as sent. This feature is a huge time saver, as it not only keeps you organized by tracking the status of your invoices, but also relieves you from having to manually mark each one. And there you have it, a quick, efficient way to create and send an invoice link through FreshBooks. It's a straightforward process that can significantly improve your invoicing system, ensuring you get paid faster while maintaining a professional appearance. Remember, keeping your invoices accurate and promptly sent is key to maintaining good relationships with your clients and ensuring the steady flow of funds into your business.